Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the YouTube Studio app and signing in with the Google account linked to your channel. Once signed in, make sure the app has permissions it requests, because restricted access can hide data. Tap your profile icon in the top right, then select the channel you want to manage. This ensures you're viewing the right account. Once done, the app loads your channel dashboard, which is the launch point for checking subscriber information and analytics. From the dashboard, tap Analytics to open channel metrics, then switch to the Audience tab to focus on subscriber-related data. Here you'll see the Recent Subscribers card. Tap it to open a list of users who have subscribed and whose subscriptions are public. Make sure to adjust the date range at the top. This changes who appears in the recent list. Note why some subscribers won't show. Users who keep subscriptions private won't appear here, which is a privacy limitation. To inspect a subscriber, tap their name in the list to open their public YouTube profile. You'll see whatever they've made public. Use the date filters to refine the time frame and pull down to refresh so the most recent data loads. If subscribers still don't appear, make sure the Studio app is updated. Clear the app cache and re-login. This fixes sync issues. One key tip: private subscriptions will never show due to user privacy, so missing names may be expected rather than an error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.